To observe
the oxygen. We know that when the oxygen is evolved,
in the photosynthesis process.
Very good. When the photosynthesis process occurs, then the oxygen gas evolved. Can we see the oxygen gas evolved in our surroundings?
No.
For that, we have to observe the oxygen. We have to do an experiment that is called as
Hydrila Experiment.
Oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. We will observe. For this experiment, we have to take the materials. What are the materials?
Beaker, funnel, test tube, Hydrila mix, and water.
These are the operators. First, we have to take the water in the beaker 3/4. Is it enough? Yes. Now we have to take the funnel and what I am doing? Observe carefully. Hydrila pigs. I am inserting Hydrila pigs into the funnel and slowly I am dropping into the beaker. Now, what is this? What I am doing? Pouring the water into the test tube. Now we have to take care and slowly we are inverting in the beaker and slowly inserting the test tube. Okay, this is the setup. All of you girls come. You guys come here and few of them come to here. Come here and observe what is there. Is there any difference between the textbook figure and this setup? Yes. You observe. What is the difference? Air bubbles. We did not find. We are not able to see the air bubbles in the setup. All of you boys sit there. Boys, you come. You have the boys come stand here and you have the observe carefully. All of you see. What did you observe? There are the Hydrila pigs under the funnel. Is there any difference between this picture here and this setup? Bubbles. Here in the textbook figure, some of the air bubbles are produced and oxygen also here. Is there any oxygen are you observing?
No.
No. Is there any air bubbles are here?
No.
No. Why?
Photosynthesis.
Yes, the photosynthesis process not occurs. So, how can we identify the oxygen gas? Sunlight. Very good. This setup we have to keep in the sunlight. When the Hydrila pigs are exposed to the sunlight, then some of the air bubbles are produced like this figure. Shall we observe? Yes. Okay. This setup we have to keep in the sunlight. Stop. All of you boys and girls. I kept this setup in the sunlight. Observe, is there any air bubbles?
No.
Light.
Light.
Small air bubbles are coming. Okay, after 5 minutes we will observe. Okay? Okay, all of you draw this diagram in your notebook. Diagrams.
SVP ra.
Are you observing? Is there any change? Yes, some of the air bubbles are producing and going up in the test tube. Yes. Yes. You see children, some of the gap is formed in the test tube. What is this? This is the oxygen gas.
Air bubbles in coming in there.
Air bubbles are coming or not coming?
Coming ra.
All of you boys and girls observe this. Is there any changes? Yes. What did you observe? Which bubbles are? Air bubbles. Air bubbles. Why they are producing? Yes, photosynthesis process occurs. In our surroundings there are so many plants. Are you observing? Yes. Are there any leaves?
Yes, yes.
Leaves are there on the plants?
Yes.
Are they performing the photosynthesis?
Yes.
Then you can you observe the oxygen in the atmosphere? No. Why you are not observing? We are not able to identify the oxygen in the atmosphere. We can only observe the oxygen in the aquatic plants. Which plants are there?
Aquatic
plants. When the photosynthesis process occurs, then the oxygen gas is evolved. Are you understand?
Yes.
Is it clear to all? Okay. Start. And what did you learn from this experiment? Oxygen gas is evolved during photosynthesis. When the photosynthesis process occurs, then the oxygen gas is evolved. Did you observe the oxygen gas in the test tube?
Yes.
Did you enjoy this experiment?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.